Hi friends, this is a project to control system functionality. So let's execute this. So here I am opening the analog clock. This is the analog clock and this shows the time in string format, which you can see below. Now I open the digital clock and now I am opening the alarm. We can set alarm time here as 5 seconds. You can set alarm and you can stop the alarm as well. Now I am opening Google. We can also open our social accounts like YouTube. I'm going to open Facebook and Twitter now. So here is the Facebook and here is the Twitter. I'll finally open my Gmail. Here it is. We can also open system apps like Notepad, etc. So let's see. I'm opening the Notepad. This is the command prompt. So here is the calculator. We can also open audio and video files. So let's see that. So here we go. This is the video file. And now I am opening an audio file. The audio file. We can also open camera. Hi. We can also perform face recognition. So here it is. As my name is Ravi, it is showing Ravi. So this is emotion recognition. This is another project which we did. So here we go. It's recognizing my emotions, like I'm angry or happy, like that. We can also perform multiple tasks as I'm showing here. I'm trying to open Notepad, command prompt, Google, and I am searching Virat Kohli in it. So let's see the results. So here is the command prompt. Here is the Google. So Virat Kohli as we search. Now we are showing one more thing. Object recognition. We already made a separate video on this object recognizer. Link is provided in below description. So it's recognizing me as person. And that's it friends. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.